Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both Gcash and your iPhone so the linking process goes smoothly. Open Settings and confirm iOS is up to date, then enable Face ID or Touch ID and set a passcode. This secures Apple Pay. Next, launch Gcash, confirm your account is verified and has a valid payment source or balance, because Apple Pay needs an active card token. Make sure you are signed into your Apple ID and the wallet app is accessible. This reduces interruptions once you add the Gcash virtual card. Now you add the Gcash virtual card to wallet. This is where tokenization happens. In Gcash, navigate to the Cards or Pay section and tap Add to Apple Wallet, then follow the app prompts. Grant wallet permissions and approve SMS or OTP verification so the bank can validate you. Provide any required card details, confirm the last 4 digits, and accept terms. This authorizes tokenization, which replaces your card number with a secure device-specific token. Once done, you should receive a wallet confirmation that the card. Finally, verify and test your newly linked Gcash card in Apple Wallet so you know it works. Open Wallet, locate the Gcash card, and make it the default if you plan to use it often. Check the card status for any verification notes. Then perform a small contactless purchase or in-app transaction to confirm tokenized payments process. If something fails, make sure the OTP/SMS verification completed, reauthorize Gcash in settings, and, if needed, contact Gcash support. This usually resolves tokenization or merchant decline issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.